Frustrated with stale food and messy pantries? Here are the 5 best airtight food storage containers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Gamma 2 Vittles Vault. Let's kick things off with the Gamma 2 Vittles Vault. Priced at around $50, this 50-pound capacity container immediately caught my eye because it's designed specifically for pet food. If you want to keep your furry friend's food fresh and flavorful, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Gamma Seal technology locks in moisture balance, ensuring your pet's dry food remains tasty. And if pests are a concern, you'll appreciate this sealed lid that keeps out everything from ants to rodents. Plus, it's made from BPA-free plastic, so you can rest easy knowing it's safe for your pets. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a pet food container. Here's the thing though, if you care about your pet's health and want to avoid wasted food, the investment is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger pet that goes through a lot of kibble. Skip this one if you have a smaller pet or don't want to store bulk food. Now, if the price of the Gamma 2 Vittles Vault bothered you, the next one might be a more affordable option for everyday food storage. Product number 2, Rubbermaid Brilliance 16 Cup. Next up is the Rubbermaid Brilliance 16-cup airtight food storage container, costing around $25.40. What grabbed my attention was its modular design that's perfect for pantry organization. If you're battling clutter and want to keep your baking essentials fresh, this is a solid option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a capacity of 16 cups, it's designed to hold large quantities of flour or sugar, making meal prep a breeze. The snap-tight lid prevents moisture, so your ingredients stay fresh longer. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. Now, some users found the locking mechanism a bit tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker, just a minor learning curve. This is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen storage. Skip this one if you need small containers for a variety of ingredients. For the price, it offers great value. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious bakers. Product number 3, ProKeeper Plus Airtight Set. Coming in hot is the ProKeeper Plus Airtight Food Storage Container Set at around $88.94. It's a bit of a splurge, but if you're serious about your baking, this 9-piece set could be a game changer. If you want your pantry to look sharp and your ingredients to last, this is worth a serious look. Each container is designed with a silicone seal and a stainless steel latch, which means it locks in freshness like nothing else. The set is tailored for baking essentials, fitting standard ingredient bags perfectly. The included magnetic tools like a leveling bar and measuring spoon are just the icing on the cake. Now, a few people mentioned that the set is a bit pricey for what you get. Here's the thing though, if you bake often, the organization and freshness make it worth every penny. This is perfect for avid bakers or anyone who wants a stylish, functional pantry. Skip this one if you only bake occasionally or are on a tight budget. Now, if the price of the ProKeeper Plus bothered you, the next product is designed for those who want something more budget-friendly. Product number 4, ComSaf Flour Sugar Storage Set. Next up is the ComSaf Flour Sugar Storage Container Set, priced around $24.13. This set includes 3 containers, which is a great deal if you need versatility for your pantry. If you want a budget-friendly way to keep your staples fresh, this one's a great choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5.5 cute flour container holds 5 pounds of flour, while 2 2.6 cute sugar containers store 2 pounds each. The airtight design with strong side-locking lids keeps ants out and ensures freshness. Plus, the clear plastic lets you quickly check contents at a glance. Some users found the lids can be a bit tough to close initially, but honestly, that's a small price to pay for freshness. Just be gentle the first time you use them. This is perfect for anyone looking for economical storage for everyday ingredients. Skip this one if you're looking for something that looks fancy, but it offers fantastic value for money. All right, that was a solid budget option, but the final product on our list stands out for its sleek design. Products number 5, Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free set. Finally, we have the Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers, a set of 2 at a reasonable price. These containers are specifically designed for meal prep or leftovers. If you want something that combines function and style, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from BPA-free Triton plastic, these containers provide 360-degree clarity, allowing you to see exactly what's inside. They're also microwave-friendly with built-in vents for easy reheating, which is super convenient for busy days. Some users noted that they find the lids can get stuck if not aligned properly. But here's the thing. Once you learn how to secure them correctly, you'll appreciate how well they keep your food fresh. This is perfect for anyone who wants to store meals or leftovers in a stylish way. Skip this one if you need larger storage options, but it's a good value for those looking for quality. So, to wrap it up, after reviewing all 5 products, each has its unique strengths. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ProKeeper Plus Airtight set because of its design and versatility for serious bakers. The one to avoid would be the Gamma 2 Vittles Vault if you're not looking for pet food storage. It just doesn't fit the need. Check the description for all the links and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.